Earth.
We're Earth, Jen. Lots of different areas.
Lots of different areas. Hopefully you can travel there last minute, again, heading into this Thursday. Well, going ahead, talking about conditions here locally. Well, if you look up into the sky, most likely you're going to see some of those rain showers and thunderstorms heading into today. Really expecting more of that coverage to build later on into this afternoon. Now, looking in just a little bit closer, still beginning to see some of those showers beginning to push through, mainly impacting areas just in northern Baldwin County. Still an isolated look, and northern Florida Panhandle, mainly just closer towards Santa Rosa and also Escambia County there in Florida. But looking in just a little bit closer, beginning to see a lot of that push further towards the south. Improving look for southern Washington and Clark counties, but taking a live look at downtown Mobile. Things look a little nice out there, seeing some peaks of sunshine, but also some increased cloud cover. Temperatures 88 with dew points in the mid-70s. Feeling like 99 at this time. It's warm. You definitely need one of those showers to push in, help cool things down. And we're definitely going to be seeing that heading into today. So make sure you have that rain gear ready to go stepping out the door. But daytime highs expecting us really in many areas to stay below the 90-degree mark in terms of actual air temperature, mainly just due to that increased cloud cover and those increased rain chances heading into the rest of today. But as we're seeing right now, it's still going to be feeling warm out there, easily feeling like the triple digits. We're going to be staying on the mild side heading later on into this evening, lower 80s by 8 o'clock. Feeling warmer than that. Coming up in just a little bit, I'm going to talk more about your forecast, time things out on the Futurecast, plus also a full work week forecast. All that's coming up soon. Chelsea. Going ahead, taking another look at your forecast, taking a live view over downtown Mobile, really beginning to see some of those gray clouds beginning to build in. A bit of a gloomy look out there so far to start off for this morning. Temperatures right now upper 80s, dew points mid 70s, so feeling like 99 out there at this time. Now taking a look at radar across the Gulf Coast, beginning to see some of these showers still beginning to push through, mainly moving out of Baldwin County at this time, beginning to push just closer towards Escambia counties in both Alabama and Florida, right near Atmore, beginning to see more of that rain beginning to build in. No thunder and lightning out there just yet. We're going to start to see some of that begin to pop up later on into the rest of your Monday. Now, timing things out in our Futurecast again, the Futurecast really leaning off on some of the rain chances that we're seeing right now, expecting that trend to continue heading later on into today. We'll start to see some of this coverage building by early afternoon, 2, 3 o'clock, closer towards the coast, especially highest chances just south of I-10. But then by the time we make it later on into this evening, right around this point, really expecting that coverage to be a bit more widespread for the southern portions of Mobile, Baldwin counties, increased coverage, some of that thunder, some of that lightning. So do be cautious with any of those Monday evening plans. And we'll start to see more of those spread just a little bit further inland later on this evening. Well, after sunset, getting closer towards 9 and 10 o'clock, things turn mostly quiet heading into the overnight hours, and then rinse and repeat heading into your Tuesday. We're starting off with some of those showers and thunderstorms ramping up for our Mississippi counties to start off tomorrow, but then a lot more of that spreading closer towards Mobile, Baldwin counties, the Florida Panhandle, by the time they'll make it closer towards lunchtime and into the early afternoon hours for your Tuesday. Now, once we make it into the second half of the day, beginning to see more of an isolated look, still some cloud cover, but hopefully some peaks of sunshine out there. Now, by this afternoon, temperatures, many areas might not even get into the 90s, really expecting those mid to upper 80s, below average for this time of year. But do keep in mind the humidity. It's still going to be having it feel a little bit muggy out there, feeling like well over 100 degrees for many areas. The reason that we're starting to see some of these cooler daytime highs, mainly the culprit, it's going to be some of that cloud cover and also those increased rain chances. Now, in case you're heading on down towards the coast, rip current risks, they're moderate today, but drop to low heading into tomorrow and Wednesday. We'll definitely start to see some improvements by midweek. Now, coming up in just a little bit, I'm going to talk more about your forecast, what you can expect for the rest of the week ahead of us, plus also a check on the tropics. All that's coming up soon. Chelsea.